Hey guys, and welcome back to another plan with me. Today we are going to be doing the week of Valentine's Day, and I am using this kit, Love Tiggero, which is an exclusive kit for my shop because it's got Tiggero on it. So here he is, and I just love all of the full boxes. They're so cute. It's the first time I ever did a full Tiggero kit, and I have more coming. So this is the bottom washi, date covers, the kind of functional stuff, more functional stuff, headers. This is an oops one. I had to change my blade and it kind of cut through certain spots. And then I added glitter because glitter is always awesome. So it is actually Wednesday when this is going up and when I'm planning. So I'm a little behind again, but last week was quite busy and I just didn't get a chance. Things are starting to get busy around here, which is nice. Like, it's been busy before, but like, and then there was like a lot of downtime, and yeah, last week we had snow and it was awesome. But yes, so I have on sticky notes everything I did Monday and Tuesday, and then what I'm planning this week. So I'm going to start by putting the washi down, and I think on this one I'm just gonna use this thinner one. Wonder if I have any washi. Most of my washi is packed still, and I didn't unpack it because we're only staying in this place for a short time. So I don't know, should I, because if I go like that, it's just barely covers both, you know? Does that look weird? Probably. That's okay. I just realized I don't have my scissors. I best grab those. Luckily they're not far away. So I've got this. I'm just gonna try this. It doesn't necessarily look horrible, right? I think I need to back up so that you guys don't see the legs of my tripod. But yeah, so this last weekend I went to, if you followed me on Instagram, you may have seen, I was in Kansas. And that is because my best friend from California, her son was doing a speech and debate tournament in Hutchinson, Kansas. And that's only about 2.5 hours from where I'm currently living. So I thought it would be awesome if I went and saw her, and she even spent a little extra time. They were done Saturday and they stayed till Monday so we could do stuff, which was really cool and really just fun. We didn't like do anything crazy. We joked around that we were partying in Kansas, because who would have ever thought two California girls, well, she's not from California, she's from Illinois. Anyways, that two people that from California would be partying in Kansas. Especially for me, Kansas is where a lot of my older family is from. So for me, the memories I have are from, I haven't been there since I was like 12. So the memories I have are visiting like great grandparents and stuff like that, which I feel lucky to have gotten to do. But at the time, you know, you're a kid, you're like, this is boring. These are just old people. So anyways, we had so much fun. We ate good barbecue. We went to the Cosmosphere, which is, I guess, a Smithsonian satellite museum, and they had so much really cool stuff, like including the actual Apollo 13 capsule. Who would have thought it would be in Kansas? But yeah, I thought we just had so much fun, and like I said, we really enjoyed ourselves. So let me see where I'm going to put these full boxes. I think I want the Be Mine to be on actual the 14th, so that is Friday, right? Yes. So I'm gonna put this one here, and I think I'm gonna stagger them this week, like I did last week, where I go like, because I like that. Also, if you prefer sped up videos, you can go to the link below and it will take you to a sped up version of this with just music. Let's see, so that one's gonna be there, that one, yep. So this one is up here, like this, and then we'll do this one. I had so much fun drawing these. If you didn't know, I do draw these by hand with a pencil and paper, and then I outline them in pen and then import them into my computer. And yeah, so it's a bit of work, just a bit, but I think it turns out a lot better. Let's see, what is Sunday? Sunday I just have church, so I'm gonna put this here. Does that look weird if I jump it all the way down? I don't think it does, because I feel like my weekends, while I love this A5, only problem with A5s is that the weekends aren't as long, and now that I have like stuff with my nephews, I have a lot to fill in, but Sundays tend to be pretty good. And if I miss a couple things, no big deal. Okay, so now I'm going to, which colors do I want to do? I've already got that one twice. I think I'm going to do the red and light pink. So I like to, I'll do the light pink first, and it just goes on top like this. And then I'll put the little red one underneath it to cover up those lines a little bit. Like that. So I'm gonna go and do that, and I will speed through this part. Okay, now to go to our trusty Post-its and find stickers, because I was silly and didn't pull all my stuff. So Monday I drove back from Kansas. I unpacked and I did laundry, so that was very productive that I was able to get all my laundry. I think my driving sticker, well, let's grab the laundry sticker. Let's see. I should have pulled all these. I'm sorry, guys. These are the old Tiggero laundry stickers. I have newer ones now where he's holding them, where it's a little bit different. I think he looks cuter. Here, I forgot to put his tail. This is from like 4 years ago. This design. What did I say? Oh, driving. So I think I'm going to try and like Tiggero out this, there we go, this spread, since it is a Tiggero kit, and I can use this travel one with him and Kat in the car. So I drove back, and then I did all my laundry, which was awesome to get it all done. And then what did I say? Oh yeah, I unpacked. So maybe I should put, I don't have an unpacking sticker, so I don't need to do that either. And then I'm rested. So I need the note from here. Oh, here's the laundry sticker, the new one. I forgot I added all this stuff. But yeah, there's him with the new laundry sticker versus the old one. I still like the old one, but the new one, he just looks so much happier. I think I'm gonna put that one on instead. Just because I'm a dork like that. Now to find where to stick that sticker. So we're gonna put this one, and then I didn't do anything after that. I was just tired, so we'll put big nope. But I need to find something for unpacking. I know I have a glam planner one, but I think that's all. I don't think I need to make a Tiggero one of him unpacking. Oh, that's boxes. Just had them. Okay, so I have this cute one from Glam Planner. I'll just stick that one right there for unpacking. Yesterday was a super busy day. It got a full sticky note just for itself. So it was a shop day. So I worked on shop stuff, got caught up. Today is also a shop day, hence why I am filming. So shop day. I'm going to grab a work Tiggero. It's him happy on the computer. I'm just gonna go like that and put him underneath. I cleaned a little bit my little office area. I'll just write office under there. We looked at a house and we had dinner at Palomino's, and I also edited all my vlogs. So they are all edited and uploaded. I have to upload them today. So we're gonna do this one. I'll do edit all vlogs. We went and looked at a house, which it was a very cute house, but it's under contract, so we probably won't get it. But I guess you can make up backup offers, which you can't do that in California, so I don't know. We're looking at other houses. Where are my, here we go. So I know there's a food one, or there it is. I'm just gonna cover up, which color? We'll use this one, and just cover it up with the matching one. And since I went down on this other one, I'm gonna go down a little bit on this one so it doesn't look so weird, like I meant to do it. Okay, today I need to edit videos, I need to design, and I need to send some stuff for a swap. So I'm gonna put that I filmed. I have cute filming stickers somewhere. Okay, so I took a moment to grab a bunch of stickers, so hopefully this will go a little smoother. Okay, so like I was saying, today I need to send my swap for so I'm going to use this. I'm going to put it down here, and I'm going to use, I have a very busy day today. I'm finally feeling motivated. It took a while to get back into kind of the swing of things after being in moving mode for so long. So I'm going to film, and then I'm going to just put a little and per sign there, or and per, a little and sign there. So, and these are from Sweet Quiet Design. Then I am going to design, which I should have grabbed another one of these guys, but instead I will just grab a butterfly. Which color do I want to use? I'm going to use this one. So I can put that. I'm going to do some designing today. I have a Tiggero kit that I'm working on that is St. Patrick's Day. So I'm hoping to get that out this Friday. And then that's it. Oh, I didn't finish this. I was going to change this, and I can't get that off, and put, because we ate at this place called Palomino's, and it is Mexican food. So it was Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. And then I was going to use this one. Will that fit? Dinner out. Maybe if I put it here, and then I can put where. Hopefully I'm in camera like that. See, I think that's cute. And that sticker is from Planting Roses. Then I have this sticker, which is also from my shop. And I just like to denote when it rains or snows. Now it snows, which it used to be just rain because it doesn't rain that often in California. I also took one of these upload stickers from Sweet Car Design. I'm putting it there for uploading and blogs. Okay, let's move on. So I have room. We're probably going to go to the grocery store today, and I should mark that I planned, but I'm hoping to do another video today too, back planning the week we moved. Okay, Thursday is my friend's daughter's birthday. She's going to be 19, and I need to mark her birthday. I think I'll use this square one. And I'm very excited for her to be 19. I just can't believe she is. Like, I just remember when she was in single digits. I have nothing planned for Friday. Saturday, I'm doing an Instagram takeover. So I should mark that. And on the Girl Boss sale, planner sales, I will link, put something here, hopefully, telling you where to go. And then on Sunday, I have church. So I need something that goes with that. Maybe a cute little flag. The little one. Oops. Working on the carpet is not the best. I need to find a new way to do this. I am hopefully, I think I found a desk and some other stuff, so hopefully that will be. Okay, I was just going through the footage and I realized most of the time half my planner is cut out. I'm really, really sorry, but here is how it turned out. I think it looks really cute, and I hope you enjoyed this video, even though I cut off the bottom, and I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye.